How to fix if Red Dead Redemption 2 is not launching. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Task Manager by searching. Then click on More Details located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Processes on top left corner of your screen below File. Then make sure you search Red Dead Redemption 2 application down here. After you find your application, make sure you click on that and then click on End Task. After you do that, make sure you restart your laptop, then you're good to go. That's how you fix if your Red Dead Redemption 2 is not launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.